welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to film for you guys something that I haven't filmed in quite a while, and that is a Dollar Tree haul. So if you've been around my channel for a while, you know that I used to do Dollar Tree hauls a lot, and I had to sort of put myself on restriction from the Dollar Tree because I used to go in there and spend way too much money. So I haven't been in quite a while. I try not to go that often, but I did go recently, and I thought that I would share with you guys what I picked up. And it is, I'd say, a Valentine's Day haul because I did get a lot of Valentine's Day stuff. And if you hear my kids in the background, they are home today from a snow day and they are just playing outside, and they're kind of screaming loudly, but they're having a good time. So let's just hope that they stay outside the whole time that I'm filming this video. So let me just hop right in. When I shop at the Dollar Tree, when I used to shop at the Dollar Tree, I should say, I used to just, you know, willy-nilly throw things in the cart. I like this, I like that, and, you know, go a little bit wild. Now I'm trying to be a bit more intentional with what I buy, and you'll tell me how I did at the end if I did okay. But I think I did okay. So everything that I bought, I had a purpose for, I think. So we'll see. Anyway, let's just hop right in. The first thing I did buy were these ring pops for my kids. Miriam especially loves candy, and Jude likes candy too, and I just thought this would be good for Valentine's Day to give to them. So they come 4 in a pack for $1.25, and I think that's a pretty good price. So anyway, happy to find those there. They're all pink and red for Valentine's Day. Then the next thing I found were actual Valentines that I got for Miriam to give out to her classroom. So where are the rest of them? Here they are. So I picked 4 different packs. They come 8 to a pack, and they're these cute ones here. Hopefully they're not too much of a reflection. If they are, I think I'll take them out of the pack. So they're these ones here, and they come with little buttons. I thought that was cute, and I just thought the designs were really fun. So they each come with a little button she can give to her classmates. The way they do it at my kids' school is that you give it to everyone in the class so no one feels left out. So there are those ones there, and then I thought that she might like these ones here, just with, you know, different things here. I thought that maybe depending on the kid's personality, she could personalize it a little bit. So those ones there. So I ended up getting 2 of each, so 32, just so that there would be enough to give to all her classmates. And I think that might be a bit of an overshot. I can't remember how many kids are in her class, but I think 32 might be too much. But anyway, got those there. I didn't get any for Jude just because he is very specifically into sports and hockey, and they didn't have any hockey related ones. So I think I'll probably just end up making my own and printing them out for him, for his friends. So hockey related ones there. So the kids just came in, but they said they'll be quiet, so hopefully you won't be able to hear them. The next thing I found were these little decor pieces here, and I thought these were super fun. I see them all the time when I watch Dollar Tree DIYs, which I'm sort of obsessed with. And we never seem to get these in Canada, these little metal signs. So these ones here, they love XOXO and Valentine. So I got 2 packs of them there. I don't know what kind of DIYs I'll do with them, but I thought those would be fun. So I picked up 2 packs. So the next thing I picked up were these doilies. I thought they had sort of a retro feel. I decorate in, you know, a vintagey retro fashion, eclectic fashion, and so I thought that these would work well for a variety of things. So pick those ones up there. And then I picked up these little treat sacks. They came 3 to a pack, and I thought that they would be great for gifting Valentine's things to the kids. And I don't know, I just like I don't like the fact they come in a plastic bag, but I just like that they were this sort of burlap material, and they can be reused over and over and over again. So got those there. These I picked up, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with them because they're sort of like a kid activity, but I thought I could turn it into some type of decor or something like that. Anyway, they are these window clings, and I thought that the sayings were super adorable. So you are a great friend, orange, you so sweet, I like you cherry much. That one's, I think, my favorite. we make the perfect pair, and then you're one in a melon. So I thought those were adorable. I don't know how I'm going to use them. If you guys have any ideas, let me know in the comments below. I don't know, I thought these were super cute, so I decided to pick them up. So that's there. Then I just picked up this super easy, you know, wooden heart. You can do a ton of DIYs with that. I thought that I would actually use this to Mod Podge some vintage wrapping paper that I have, that I thrifted, I don't know, quite a while ago. I thought that it would look nice on this little heart, so I got that there. I don't know why I picked this next item up, because I have a ton of vases and most of them are vintage and like secondhand, and I really like that. But I saw this pink vase here. I just had to buy it. I don't know, I thought it looked pretty good quality considering it's from the Dollar Tree, and I really liked this color of pink. It's sort of like a hot pink, like flamingo kind of pink. I don't know, I really liked it. I thought it would look fun for this time of year especially, and you know, into the summer and stuff like that. So happy to find that there. And then speaking of vases, I went crazy in the flower section like I normally do. So but I found some flowers that I was pretty impressed with from the Dollar Tree. So I first found these here. These are crocuses, or croci, I don't know, no, crocuses. And they are these ones here, also a color that I really like. And so I got 2 packs of them here. So these are them. I really loved this coloring, and I don't know, I think they look not too bad in terms of realness. So I picked those up. Then I moved on and found these roses here. They're sort of like peach roses, and I got 2 packs of those. I was really impressed with the color, and this sort of gives me like a vintagey retro vibe with the colors, like that peach color there. Roses, they're quite classic, you can't go wrong. Then I found some awesome flowers that I would say are on par with maybe Michael's type quality. And they are these mini roses here. They're just like plastic, but the plastic has like a coating on it, like a white type of coating that makes them look soft even though they're plastic. And I just really thought that they did a good job. So good job, Dollar Tree, on these fake plastic roses. There's this color here, like a yellowy color, and I got, I don't know, 3 bunches of those. And then there's this pretty pink color, and I got 3 bunches of these. So I don't know, I was super impressed with these. So actually I got 4 bunches of these because I've already used some in a little display back there. I was super impressed with these flowers here. So happy to pick them up. And then let's see, I feel like I'm running out of things. No, I got a couple more things here. Pack of tape. I always like getting tape from the dollar store. I don't know if it's the best deal, but anyway. The next 2 things I thought were super cute. I thought I could maybe use for Easter, for the kids to put in their Easter basket. And they have these little cross stitch kits. So I got this one for Miriam. It's a little butterfly, and it comes with like the embroidery and the little hoop and stuff like that. So I thought that was cute. And then this one here is a little puppy, and I thought that would be good for Jude. So I'm going to just tuck those away for Easter basket time. And then speaking of baskets, I found these baskets at the Dollar Tree, and I've never seen them there before. I think they felt like good quality. Little wire baskets. They are these round ones here. I've seen these at Walmart before for a couple of dollars, but never at the Dollar Tree. So I picked up 2 of these ones, and then 3 of this size here. So I don't have a project in mind for these, and that's what I have to stop doing at the Dollar Tree, is buying baskets for projects that I haven't thought out yet. But these are so nice that for $5 I thought I'd just, you know, bite the bullet and buy them, and I'm sure that they will come in useful, maybe in Miriam's room, just to corral different things. But anyway, we don't know what we're gonna use these for, but I decided to buy them anyway. And then the last thing I got from the Dollar Tree were some Dollar Tree cards, because around Halloween I had some luck finding vintage inspired Halloween cards. So I wanted to see if they had any vintage inspired Valentine's Day cards. They didn't really have the same type of thing, but they did have some good looking cards that I thought I could use to sort of actually give people, but also I could use as decor. So the first one here, they sort of have like a I don't know, tattoo type of vibe to them, or like I don't know, I just thought the illustrations and the handwriting was really nice. So this first one here, it says love upon love year after year, and I thought that was pretty cool. So I got that one there. I think I might either give this to Dave or just use this as like a decoration. So what I do is I just put these in a frame and then put them up somewhere. So that there was the first one. This one here I got for Miriam. And it says Jesus Calling, and there's a little telephone, retro looking telephone on the front. And then in it, it says reminding you that you are perfectly loved. Happy Valentine's Day. And then down here, it just has a little verse from the Bible, which says nothing ... will ever be able to separate us from the love of God that is in Jesus Christ our Lord. So I thought that that would be good for Miriam. Just a reminder, you know, she's always loved by her family, but more importantly, she's always loved by Jesus. So got that one from her for her. And then I was gonna get the same one for Jude, but then I saw this and I thought that he would really appreciate this. So here's the design here. I really love that. And it says, for a wonderful son. Inside it says, it's always been a blessing to have a son like you, a son who's kind and thoughtful and makes life happy too. That's why this Valentine holds more than just a wish alone. It's filled with all this special love that will always be your own. Happy Valentine's Day. So I really liked that. I thought that would be good for him. Just a reminder that, you know, he is loved as well. So anyway, there's that one there. And then there is this one here that says Happy Valentine's Day. And this one I really thought was cool. So I don't know, I just thought the design was super awesome, but I think I just want to use this one for the design on it. This is one I will also use for design. So it just says for my Valentine, and I thought the flowers on it looked really cool, and I loved the gold sort of filigree and stuff here. So this is it here. I just thought it was really pretty, and I don't know, kind of upscale looking for the Dollar Tree. So there you go, that is my Dollar Tree haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below if you thought I shopped with intention or not, if you think that some of these things are sort of wasteful. But anyway, it is what it is. I, you know, had a good time shopping that afternoon. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you aren't subscribed to my channel and you'd like to see more thrifty videos from me, then please consider subscribing so you don't miss a video in the future. And we will see you guys in the next one. Bye.